Hello, so in iOS 15 there is a new cool feature which is called SharePlay in FaceTime. So they updated FaceTime a lot, and SharePlay means that you can watch movies together with friends while you're on a FaceTime. Also listening to songs together with Apple Music, watching TV show or movie from Apple TV Plus, and it also works on iPhone, iPad, Mac. You can also connect services on Apple TV. I don't know exactly how, but yeah. And so you can access apps like Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, HBO Max, Masterclass. All these apps are integrated with SharePlay. And so basically, you just open your FaceTime, and just under the join button in top right, there is a SharePlay icon with this like a screen icon. Just tap that, and then you can connect Apple Music, Apple TV, HBO, all other coming apps.